What's going on, guys? So I'm about to show you guys something pretty dang incredible and different, and this is game changing for those of you who want to have a fifth wheel hitch but don't want to deal with storing it and putting it away and having to take it in and out of the bed of your truck every single time you want to go on a different trip. What they've done here is really revolutionary when it comes to fifth wheel towing, and I think you're going to enjoy this. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am fortunate to have my new friend Elijah with Demco, and Demco is a brand that a lot of people know about, but they don't know about. They may have it on their trailer. If you got a big heavy-duty trailer with an easy latch coupler on the front of it, for instance a Brinkley even, or a lot of RVs with that easy latch coupler, I've done videos on them before. That's a Demco product. You may have a Demco fifth wheel hitch in the back of your vehicle. You may have Demco products all over and you just don't know it. They are huge in the industry. They've been around for a long time, but from a marketing perspective, you guys are just kind of fresh into the marketing side of things, right?
Yeah, so we've been around for over 61 years now, family-owned company in our first generation of ownership. Our marketing department is 5 years old. So we are really trying to get the word out of what do we do, and we're very diversified. We're in a lot of different industries, and how do we tell everyone about our story and who we are? Like you said, we make easy latch couplers. You put it on the ball, you probably see it on a Penske trailer, U-Haul, Brinkley, Airstream. We're kind of all over the place, but we also do things for flat towing. We make the Air Force One and the Stay and Play Duo braking systems, as well as our own tow bars, and then we also make fifth wheel hitches. So this is what we're looking at here, is kind of the newest offering.
And this is revolutionarily different than anything anybody's probably seen before. So I know you got a video going back there which kind of demonstrates what it's about, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to try to pretend I know everything about this, and you just tell me if I'm totally wrong or if I get it. So the problem a lot of people have with fifth wheel towing is that when they are done, they have to remove this hitch from the bed, find a place to stow it until they need it again, and then they have to drag it back out, lift it up over their tailgate to get it back in the bed of the vehicle. Fifth wheel hitches in general are going to be heavy, right? There are a few brands that make them out of aluminum, but I think most people prefer a steel fifth wheel hitch. So in essence, what it appears like you've done here is you've made a storage system that actually permanently installs in the bed of your vehicle. So whenever you're done towing, you fold it up, you put it on the storage system, and you are good to go until you need it again. Am I kind of in the right realm?
Absolutely. Yeah, so what this is just what you said. It is a fifth wheel hitch that can be taken apart, and it can be folded down to take up minimal room wherever you want to put that. We sell this molly rack separately. Molly rack meaning that you can mount this into whatever type of pickup you have. We make different bracket types, and then you can store this hitch in the front, and it only goes about less than a foot out. So you're saving a lot of room there. You free up your entire bed space for whatever you want to use it for. But if you don't even want to get that molly rack, you can put this, it fits well in a storage compartment in your camper, on a shelf. There's a lot of options here. Okay,
so what I am seeing here, and he mentioned earlier to me that this is for a goose ball.
Correct.
This right here, I'm imagining mounts onto your goose ball, or what part am I looking? Oh, no, I'm sorry,
that's
this is for the hitch
upright.
head.
Yep.
All right, so this is going to slide into here.
Correct.
This is going to mount on top of there to give you your ability to rotate.
Right.
And then you have a mount for, I guess this that goes to your goose ball, or how does that work?
So you've got your goose ball that will go right under here.
Okay.
So you place this on top. We'll have some video that shows that. And then simply you've got these lug nuts. You put those down, and we've got it so you can only use one wrench and 2 sockets, and that's all you need to assemble. Okay, so I saw that you mentioned earlier a torque wrench. So in order to remove this assembly, you would take these off with the torque wrench. Correct. Or not a torque, you could remove them without a torque wrench, but you need a torque wrench to tighten them down properly. So you might as well use the same wrench for both. Right. All right, I like that your system here
wraps completely around the jaws, which is right, or sorry, the jaw wraps completely around the kingpin, which is also really nice. Show me the process though of coupling and uncoupling real quick, just what you do, because that's always something that I like to see from different products. So I'm assuming you pop your pin out?
Yep, so you do that, and then if you want to just pull that out strongly, there you go. And you will line it up, put it in here, and
auto latching.
It will auto latch.
Yep, that's kind of the claim to fame of Demco, is that you guys are kind of the inventors of the auto latching coupler, which is really nice. So it brings it in here, and then you have the safety bar, and once it actually, I'm assuming, opens that up and hits this, it's going to release the jaw to close all the way around.
Correct.
And then you have this jaw which goes in line here.
Yep.
So you can lock your pin in to make sure that you're in the right orientation, ready to tow.
Absolutely.
Very cool. When will this be available? I know eTrailer, my channel sponsor, will be carrying this. Is this something that they can get immediately?
So it will be February. We're looking at middle to end of February. We're starting production now. We're excited to get it out, and yeah, we will have it on the market very soon.
Awesome, man. Well, Elijah, I really appreciate your time. Super cool product. You know what? He's going to send me a video, I believe, so I can actually show you what it's about, and I think it's going to be that video back here. All right. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, man. And we will we'll definitely put a link to this to eTrailer so folks know where to get it when it's available. And right now, is it available, or will you have an option for the puck system?
So we do not. So one thing I do want to say is there's a lot of possibilities here. We would love feedback on what do you folks want to see. Higher weight capacity? Do we want more brackets for the molly rack? What do you want to see? So any feedback, we love to hear it.
Okay, and that's really awesome that you guys are looking for that. Getting the torque wrench ready.
So that's that's it, and you got 2 sockets, and there you go.
There you go. All right, brother. Well, I really appreciate it. Drop a comment below, give some advice. I'm sure you're going to get advice from folks who say they want it to go up to like 25,000 pounds so they can move larger toy haulers. But really, really cool. But guys, if you haven't had a chance, take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again real soon. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for stopping.